Now let's hop over into our Beat the Bell segment where we will do some pre-market analysis, go over global market news, as well as the markets last night, and see what happened pre-market to see if we hop into some charts, do some analysis, and see if we have some opportunities for some active day trades, okay? So kicking it off in the Asian markets, okay, give me a second. I'm not sure what's going on there. All right. I will mute that. Why is it so delayed? Okay, there we go. All right, so the Asian Dow down 0.10%. The Nikkei 225 was down 0.35%. The Hang Seng Index down 0.26%. The Shanghai Index up 0.23%. The Sensex Index up 0.47%. And the Singapore Index down 0.31%. Hopping right into the U.S. market, the Dow is down 1.09%. The S&P 500 was down 0.95%. The NASDAQ down 0.84%. The VIX relatively flat, up 0.70%. The gold is up 0.4%. Oil is down 0.73%. Hopping over into the futures market, the futures were relatively down all night until that news came out at 8:30. And then when the news came out, it shot up almost 200 points. So the Dow Jones futures are now currently up 0.08%. The S&P 500 futures are up 0.17%. The NASDAQ futures are up 0.38%. Gold futures are up 0.33%. Silver futures are up 0.03%. And crude oil is down 0.75%. Hopping right over into the Forex markets, the euro is flat. The Japanese yen is down 0.16%. The Great British Pound is up 0.27%. The Australian dollar is up 0.55%. The DXY index is down 0.1%. The Wall Street Journal dollar index is down 0.13%. And then rounding it out in the crypto markets, Bitcoin is up 1.2% to about 70,687. Ethereum is up 1.42% at around $3,563. XRP is down 0.04%. Bitcoin Cash is down 1.43%. Litecoin is up 0.82%. And Monero is down 1.03%. In our geopolitical news, in general, the core PPI came out at 8:30. All right. Refresh that actually. The core PPI came out at 8:30. The forecasted was 0.2%, and the actual came out at 0.2%. The PPI came out at forecasted was at 0.3%, and the actual was 0.2%, so missed it by 0.1%. Unemployment claims came out at 216,000 of the forecast, and the actual was 211,000. Today at 10 a.m., FOMC member Barkin will be speaking. At 10:30 a.m., we'll have the natural gas storage numbers, which are forecasted at 14 billion. At 1:01, we'll have the 30-year bond auction. And at 1:30, FOMC member Bostic will be speaking, okay? So a good amount of news happened earlier this morning and a couple of spots on today, okay?